Do you want to try out a new haircut or hairstyle? Do you want classic or edgy ones? Here we present a few haircuts and hairstyles that you may consider liking. I like the undercut pixie the most. Short haircuts have been a popular trend among women for decades. From the classic bob to the trendy pixie cut, short hairstyles offer a range of versatile and chic options. Short haircuts can be edgy and bold, or soft and feminine, depending on the individual's preferences and face shape. They are also low maintenance and require less styling time and products than longer hairstyles. However, short haircuts may not be suitable for everyone, and it is important to consider factors such as hair texture and face shape before making the decision to go short. Here is another example: an undercut pixie. Pixie undercut is a trendy and edgy hairstyle that has gained popularity in recent years. It is a short haircut that combines a classic pixie cut with shaved or buzzed sides and/or back. The result is a bold and daring look that can be customized to suit different hair types, face shapes, and personal styles. The pixie undercut is a versatile hairstyle that can be worn in various ways. Some people prefer to keep the top longer and style it in a messy or textured way, while others opt for a sleek and polished look. The shaved or buzzed sides and back can be done in various lengths and patterns, including asymmetrical designs or intricate patterns for a more dramatic effect. Let's take a look at this one: textured chin length with wispy bangs. A textured chin length haircut with wispy bangs is a trendy and versatile hairstyle that can suit a wide range of face shapes and hair types. The chin length cut typically falls just below the chin, creating a flattering frame for the face while still allowing for a variety of styling options. The addition of texture to the cut adds depth and dimension to the hair, creating a more natural, effortless look. The wispy bangs, which are typically cut to just above the eyebrows and feathered around the edges, add a touch of femininity and softness to the overall look. They can be worn straight across the forehead for a classic look, or swept to the side for a more modern, relaxed vibe. Another good hairstyle is chin-length bob with soft waves. A chin-length bob with soft waves is a chic and stylish haircut that can suit a variety of face shapes and hair types. This versatile style typically features a length that falls just below the chin, with soft, loose waves added throughout for a natural, effortless look. The waves can be created using a curling iron or simply by using a diffuser on a blow dryer, and the result is a look that's both sophisticated and laid back. This style works particularly well for those with fine to medium hair, as the waves can add volume and texture to the hair. It's a timeless look that's perfect for any occasion, whether you're heading to the office or out for a night on the town. A wavy chin-length bob is a stylish and versatile hairstyle that combines the classic bob cut with loose, natural-looking waves. This look is perfect for those who want a chic and modern haircut that is easy to style and maintain. The chin-length cut typically falls just below the chin, creating a flattering frame for the face. The addition of waves adds texture and movement to the hair, giving it a relaxed and effortless feel. To achieve this style, you can use a curling iron or a diffuser attachment on your blow dryer to create loose waves throughout the hair. You can also use a texturizing spray to add volume and definition to the waves. The result is a beachy, bohemian look that's perfect for any occasion. A chin-length bob with curtain bangs is a trendy and versatile hairstyle that combines a classic cut with modern, face-framing bangs. The chin-length cut typically falls just below the chin, creating a flattering frame for the face, while the curtain bangs are parted down the middle and swept to either side, creating a soft, effortless look. Short hairstyles for women are chic, stylish, and useful. They are ideal for bold hairstyles and low maintenance for busy people. There are many choices for pixie cuts, bobs, and lobs. For those who like to change their look, short hair is flexible and allows for styling experimentation. Going short is a personal choice, but if you're considering it, know that short hair has many benefits and you may love the results. Please subscribe and like this video. Thanks for watching.